How do you get approved for commercial real estate financing? Well, there's a lot of different ways to do it. And in this training, I'm going to talk about how to get approved and how to get approved for the most money at the best terms. So if you have any interest in buying, refinancing, or building a commercial building, well, I'm about to decode everything you need to know to get approved for commercial real estate financing. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. So first of all, there's a lot of options you have when it comes to commercial real estate financing. Oftentimes you can get the money you need to buy an existing building. Very popular. As a matter of fact, a lot of business owners buy the building they're in where they have an expense where they're paying rent every month. Then they no longer have to pay that rent because they own the building, and they're able to actually earn money from other people in that same building that are paying rent. Bottom line, it takes a really big expense and turns it into a form of income instead. And here's the interesting thing. You can often get commercial real estate financing with little to no money down. So you literally can buy the place that you're in and save money, even turn it into an income stream instead of a liability. Pretty cool, right? But a lot of other business owners want to build commercial real estate from scratch. Look, there's a whole network of people, for example, that just build storage units. They find the land, they get the land, they buy storage units, and it's very, very, very lucrative. Now, storage units are just one of many different types of commercial real estate you can do this for, but there's a lot of money to be made by actually building commercial real estate. And if you already have commercial real estate, let's not forget about refinancing. Whether you're taking cash out of the equity of the deal that you already have, or you're just looking to lower your payments, refinancing on the loan you already have for commercial real estate can be a great way to put more money in your pocket and save money monthly. So it doesn't matter if you're building, if you're refinancing, or if you're buying commercial real estate financing has big, big, big benefits for you. So now let's talk about how you actually get it. How do you really get commercial real estate financing? Well, there's a few ways that you really want to know about. The first is SBA, and this is one of the most popular types of financing that's out there. SBA has a kind of financing called 504 that's specifically designed for the purpose of buying assets like real estate. So their loans are designed for the purpose of buying, refinancing, or even helping you build commercial real estate. You get a really long term, oftentimes 20 or 30 years. You get very low interest rates, oftentimes 8% or less. So it keeps your payments low, and you can oftentimes get in with little to no money out of pocket to be able to get approved. Now, you also want to know about alternative financing. Alternative financing is not through a SBA. It's through alternative lenders. It's even through private investors. And with this kind of financing, you can get approved where you may not be able to get approved with SBA. Look, with SBA, you might not be able to get approved. Oftentimes, they want collateral, they want cash flow, they want good credit, they want factors that you may not have. And when that case is true, then that's when you really want to consider alternative financing. Alternative financing is where we look at lenders and private investors that make it easier to get approved than SBA. You may need a little bit more money down, but if you're building, refinancing, or buying a property that already has equity built in, then you may still be able to get in with low to no money down and have an alternative solution when you can't qualify for SBA. And then let's look at the third bucket, which is hard money. Now, hard money is where you really have no chance of getting approved for SBA or alternative lending. Maybe your credit's really bad. Maybe the property's in bad shape. Maybe the risk factors that make this a high-risk deal are there, and you need somebody that will look outside of the scope of what normal lenders will do. Well, these hard money lenders make it easy for you to get in and quickly be able to get the financing you need, even when you can't qualify for alternative lenders and SBA. So those are really the three categories you want to look at when it comes to acquiring, building, and refinancing commercial real estate. We want to look at SBA if we can get it. We want to look at alternative lenders if we can't, and we want to look at hard money as an absolute last resort. Now, there's a lot of different lenders that can help you along the way, and if you'd like to learn about exactly how to get the commercial real estate financing that works for you, I mean, to get the highest approvals with the most money at the best terms, then all you have to do is click the link in this description to set up a call with us, and we'll do a free finance assessment for you. We'll actually figure out what your exact needs are and then place you with the exact lender that will help you. Even if you're in a high-risk category, even if you have credit issues, even if you've been denied before, there's a really good probability that we can help you get the financing you need for commercial real estate. So make sure you check out the link in this description and schedule a finance consultation with our team, and our team can talk to you more about getting the best terms and the most money on commercial real estate financing. Did you get value from this training? If so, make sure you like and subscribe and keep your eye out for our next training. We're talking about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.